Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how to delete Wuthering Waves account in 2025. This is very simple, so make sure to emphasize all the steps I am going to show you on this video perfectly in order to delete your account successfully, so that you don't make any mistakes and you don't have to be a victim of any hassle. So let's get started. Here you can see it's saying that deleting your account in a game can be quite problematic, and next we'll talk about this process in Wuthering Waves. So if you want to delete your account in Wuthering Waves, you must follow a certain sequence of steps. Here you have to launch Wuthering Waves and wait for the game to load. After that, open the menu. Open the settings menu by pressing the button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Open the account settings menu. It should be at the bottom of the settings menu. Then open the user center menu. You can do this through the account settings menu. In your account center, scroll down until you see the other button. Click on the other button. There you should see the delete account option. Click on the delete account button carefully. Read through the conditions for deletion and confirm that you have read them. After that, click on the next button, read through the account deletion agreement and confirm you have done so. Click on the next button. After following these instructions, you should be able to delete your account in Wuthering Waves. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of content. See you in the next video.